how to get and play Clash Royale on PC or laptop. So to be able to get or play Clash Royale on your PC, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and install an application such as Memu. So this application will allow you to access mobile applications into your PC. So go ahead and install Memu Play. So other apps such as BlueStacks can also be used for this. So once you have installed that, go ahead and open that. And then from here, go ahead and look for the Google Play application. So wait for this to load and then go ahead and select Play Store from here. And then once you're on the Play Store, go ahead and use the search bar to look for Clash Royale. So mobile simulator applications such as like this will allow you to easily play Clash Royale on your PC. So go ahead and open your Google Play Store and then make sure that you are signed in into your Google account to be able to start downloading games on your Memo Player launcher. So click on try again and then head over to the search tab. Use the search bar to look for Clash Royale. And then you'll be able to find Clash Royale on the results. So go ahead and click on it. And then once you're on the page, click on this install button. And then once you have installed this application, you can go ahead and proceed on playing Clash Royale on your PC like you are playing it on your mobile device.